We are living in a world with an amazing ecosystem and mind-blowing biodiversity, with millions of species and billions of individuals, each having a purpose. And they are all interconnected in a system so powerful, yet so fragile. This ecosystem and biodiversity essentially gives us stability. Now we know our summer times from our winter times and our dry seasons from our wet seasons. But what if it all starts changing?
We currently live in a time where we have a great example, and that is COVID-19. You see that we have to wear masks, sanitize, avoid physical contact, and keep our distance from the ones that we love. Today, 1.5 years later, we are still struggling to adapt, and this is a small adaptation in comparison to what we might need to do one day.
Sir David Attenborough said, "What we do in the next 10 years will impact the next 10,000. So let's stand up, make a change, and watch how nature can continue to amaze us."